What's up guys, today we're going to be talking about cross jabs and how to use it to shift your defenders, and on top of that add counters onto it. Now the key to this cross jab is using your body and shifting your body in the same way of that jab. The other key is actually pocketing the ball and getting behind the ball while doing this jab as well. Now after you do this cross jab, your main option is going to be to drive to the goal, but we do have to have counters in place to counter our defenders. Alright guys, so the first counter to this is the cross jab crossover. Once you do this cross jab a couple of times, people are going to try to jump to the spot first because they already know it's coming. That's why we have the crossover here in place for you to counter. Now what happens if you're playing a great defender and they're able to get back to the spot in time? Now you have the double crossover. With this counter, you want to make sure your crossover is very tight so they can't really steal it and reach for it. You also want to make sure this crossover is low to the ground. This is when those low tap drills that you work on with ball handling comes into play, especially jolt dribble drills. Now you have 3 different ways to shift defenders. First you have the cross jab, then you have the cross jab crossover, which is the first counter, then you have the cross jab double crossover, which is the second counter in case they beat you to the spot on the first crossover. You guys let me know what you think in the comments down below.